Today I am going to show you how to fix the CapCut template not showing. Welcome to F1 xpat, my name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. Go to Play Store on your phone. Select the profile icon on the top right. A menu will open. Select Manage Apps and Device. The Manage Apps and Device screen will open. Select all apps up to date. Select Check for updates. Once your apps are up to date, go back to the home screen. Open up your phone settings. The settings screen will open. Scroll down and select Apps. The Apps screen will open. Select CapCut. The CapCut screen will open. Select Storage. The Storage screen will open. Select Clear Data. Select Clear Cache. Close out the screen. Open up your CapCut app. It should be working. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.